Hey, it's Ranger Keith. I'm out birding this morning, and I thought you might want to just take a break. We're just going to sit and listen, be present. If you don't know your bird calls, that's okay. I'll tell you what they are as we go. Here we go. Drink, 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 drink. It's a northern cardinal back there. Peter, 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 Peter. Tufted titmouse. Pip, pip. Over in the distance, that's a downy woodpecker. Northern cardinal again. It's a red-shouldered hawk. Wow. All right. I'll see you later.
I just came across a video of a lovebird doing this, ripping out little pieces of paper and shoving it in its tail as if it's trying to become a peacock. My brain immediately was like, I must find out why this happens. And so I found out, and now I must tell you. So let's talk about it, shall we? At first, it might look like they're trying to do this for vanity's sake, trying to puff up their plumage in hopes that a mate will take notice, but I was surprised to find that this actually is not the case. It turns out that the lovebirds are actually using this paper as building supplies. They'll tuck it safely inside their tail feathers, bring it back home, and make a beautiful nest out of it. This may look like a cute habit, but lovebirds do not discriminate when it comes to the type of paper they use for their nests. So, if you're an avid reader and have books just hanging out around the house, it might become the next shredding victim for a lovebird. And lovebirds don't only do this with paper, they've also been observed doing it with leaves, so they have many different decorations for their pretty tail feathers and nests. Although it may not be the original reason why they do this, I still think it makes them look really pretty.
Alright, I'm sharing my super secret hummingbird recipe, and I hope my neighbors don't see because I stole all their hummingbirds. So what I do, this is the easy cheating way. I take a hot tea kettle, pour 1 cup of hot water in the jar, and then I'm going to do 1.5 cups of sugar. You want to do a little bit extra sugar to really attract the hummingbirds. So it's 1.5 cups of sugar, and then I'm going to fill that dish until it's 4 cups, so it's probably a little bit over 1.5 to 4 ratio. Normally the ratio is 1 to 4. So dissolve that sugar, stir it up till it's dissolved, and then pour cold purified water in. It has to be purified. There's too much junk in water, and we're on well water. It's too much. It has too much metals in it. So now cleaning the hummingbird feeder, you don't want to feed them gross stuff. I throw my feeders away at the end of every season and get new stuff. And then don't forget about the ant moats. It's easy to forget that little dish on the top. You need to put water in it so the ants don't get down into your hummingbird feeder and make it really gross. And then by the time you get inside, you'll have a bunch of hummingbirds to enjoy.
A do, ba do, ba do, ba do, a do, ba do, ba do, do, do. a do ba do ba do, a do ba do ba do ba do ba do, a do ba do ba do, a do ba do ba do ba do, a do ba do ba do, do ba do ba do, a do 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 do, a do ba do ba do, a do ba do ba do ba do ba do, a do ba do ba do 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 ba do.